I'm the Salem Sar, and I'm from Group 65. My other members are also Ansarza and Tariq and Aman, Ismail. The topic is a case study is the role of AI in workforce automation, job creator or job destroyer. Uh, my group will also discuss this topic and explain these in detail. First of all, I will explain the introduction, problem statement, the and also it's important it's examples in different daily life, different sectors, case studies, and its impact on that case study. And my group fellow are also explain these topics. First of all, the problem statement is the rise of artificial intelligence and its integration into workforce automation has sparked a heated debate. First, start by introducing the topic, the role of AI in workforce automation and different impact on different sectors. Firstly, the explain that AI offers the potential to create new jobs, opportunities for different people, and also in our work itself in different daily life works. But there are concerns about its impact on job displacement. It's also very important tools in our daily life nowadays. It is also important for our job opportunities, and it's we will discuss also its impact and describe these jobs. Highlight that the key focus of this presentation will be explored so AI impact various industries and job roles. In different industries, AI play a good role. Sometimes it's a good role, and sometimes it's destroy and wrong. And we will also explain that in presentation. My group fellow is next one is the answer as I will explain global trends in adoption.
Hi, my name is Ansa Raza, and I'll be starting with global trends in AI adoption. First of all, I would like to introduce the global scope of AI adoption with specific examples in mind from manufacturing, healthcare, and many other sectors. We can also see by discussing how industries are witnessing increased productivity through AI. We can also mention China's leadership in AI-driven industrial transformations. And last but not the least, we can emphasize that AI is a 70 billion industry, showing the rapid development of AI technologies. I would also like to discuss the job losses due to automation by industries. We can move on to the next slide, please, Saleha. Uh, First of all, in the job losses due to automation, I would like to talk about manufacturing. Since the year 2000, we can see about 1.7 million jobs have been lost globally in manufacturing because of machines and robots taking over. In China alone, almost 4 million people lost their jobs between 2011 and 2019 due to automation. The bar graph shows that this means that machines are doing much more factory work now, replacing many human workers. Secondly, we can see that retail is also a division that can be focused on. In the US, around 6 to 7.5 million retail jobs could be at risk. Jobs like cashiers and stock clerks are most affected since self-checkouts have machines and automated stock systems are being used more often in self-checkouts. Thirdly, I would like to talk about professional services. Jobs in areas like law, medicine, and finance are also being affected. About 27% of these jobs are at high risk of being done by AI or automated systems. According to a 2023 report by the OECD, 14% of US workers in these sectors have already lost jobs due to AI. I'd also like to talk about the emerging roles due to AI. As AI takes over some old jobs, we can see in the next slide that it's also creating new kinds of jobs. Let's look at a few important ones. Firstly, we'd like to talk about AI engineers. These are the people who build and program the AI. They create the brains behind AI tools and help companies use AI in their everyday work. Secondly, data scientists and AI product managers. Data scientists look at huge amounts of data and find patterns of or useful information using AI. AI product managers are like team leaders. They make sure AI projects go smoothly and efficiently from the idea stage to the very final product stage. Thirdly, I'd like to talk about the robotics, robotic engineers, and AI ethics consultants. Robotic engineers design and build robots that can move and do tasks, often using AI to help them think. AI ethics consultants make sure AI is used in a fair and responsible way. For example, they try to prevent biasness or unfair treatments by the AI systems. We can also see that industries creating jobs due to AI. Even though AI is taking some jobs, it's also creating new ones in many industries. Here are a few key examples, that is the IT and technology. This is the main industry growing because of AI. There's a huge need for people like AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning experts. In healthcare and finance, we can see in healthcare and finance, AI helps with things like test reports, medical tests, and personalized treatments. In finance, it helps catch fraud and manage fast, smart investing. These new uses create specialized jobs that can be only done by people who know how to operate the AI tools. Thirdly, we'd like to talk about manufacturing. Even though automation replaces some jobs, it's also creating new roles, as I said earlier. Smart factories, as they say it, now need engineers, data analysts, and robotics experts to run and maintain these AI powered systems. Lastly, I'd like to talk about the IT, technology, and healthcare job creation through AI. We're going to see how AI is creating jobs in two big industries, that is the IT technology and health. In IT and technology, as AI becomes part of products and services, there's a big need for people um, who can manage these systems. Roles like AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning experts are in high demand. Uh, while studying this, I'd like to give an example of the Google AI. Google is a great example as we all use it in everyday life. We have created and seen that many jobs in AI research and engineering, tools like AI Assistant, the voice helper on your phone, we all use it on a day-to-day basis, are powered by these teams. According to McKinsey in 2024, AI at Google is driving both innovation and new job opportunities. In healthcare, in this field, AI is helping in diagnosing, um, it's helping in creating personalized treatments for patients and managing patient care. This means there's a growing need for healthcare workers who can use and operate AI tools. An example of the healthcare system using the AI is the IBM Watson Health. IBM's AI system helps doctors analyze medical data to make better decisions, especially in cancer treatments and advanced data analysis. And to sum it up, I can say that AI is not just improving technology, it's creating jobs, especially in technology and healthcare. In IT, companies like Google are hiring more AI experts to develop tools like Google Assistant. In healthcare, AI helps doctors with diagnosis and treatments, as we see with the IBM Watson Health, which supports cancer care using data analysts. These tools create a need for new skilled workers. Thank you so much.
I'm Mohammed Ismail. So I'm going to explain about reskilling programs and examples. Reskilling programs to help worker transition into roles created by AI. And the main example of Google IT support certification and Amazon upskilling program tells you that companies like Google and uh, these companies are investing in large scale upskilling initiatives. These efforts foster a skilled workforce that drives innovation and productivity in the digital economy. Moving on to the next slide, about theoretical framework on this slide. The theoretical slide talks about technological displacement theory, which suggests that AI and automation displace traditional roles but create opportunities in new sectors. Creative destruction, a concept from economist Joseph Schumpeter, to show how AI replaces outdated technologies but fosters growth in new industries. It's same like literally switching people from one job to another. Some may lose, but if you update the skill according to the updation of the generation, they can get a job. But it is debatable on the both ends. So moving on to the next slide. On this slide, bias technological change. That this theory, which indicates that AI increases demand for high skilled workers while reducing the need for low skilled labor, which I talked earlier. How AI technologies are replacing routine tasks in sectors like manufacturing while creating opportunities in robotics and AI development. And I'm going to leave it to Tariq, my teammate. He's going to explain the next slide. Thank you.
You, Ismail. My name is Tariq Mahmood, and now I'm describe uh, data analysis and shorter and long-term effect. Discuss the short-term effect of AI on the workforce, focusing on job dispersion and the need for reskilling. Explain the long-term benefits of AI, including the creation of new industries like AI ethics, cybersecurity, and maintenance roles. Share how AI's ability to automate tasks improve productivity, leading to greater economic growth. Next slide, please. Potential solution mitigating job losses. Introduce the solution to combat the job losses caused by AI, such as reskilling program, universal basic income, and AI-driven job creation. Mention how business and governments should collaborate to ensure ethical AI adoption and fair job distribution. Highlight how places can encourage AI to foster growth to critical sectors like healthcare, education, and sustainability. Next slide, please, Saleh. Future directions. Emphasize the need for collaboration between business and governments to ensure that AI society impact is positive and ethical. Discuss the role of AI in human AI collaboration where AI is used to augment human capabilities, especially in sectors like healthcare. Explain how AI as a tool for creativity in industries like design and arts allow human worker to focus on higher level discussion making. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tariq. And I will also explain this topic as the policies for responsible AI adoption and its future direction. Tariq will also explain that data analysis, short-term versus long-term effects, potential solution affecting job losses in the future, and the future direction is the emphasized the need for collaboration between business and government to ensure that AI's impact is the positive and ethical. Is the job transitions force government and companies should collaborate to create programs that help workers, and it is also potential direction for the future. Collaboration between business and governments, and also is the role of AI in human AI collaboration. Job initiatives, policy creation, shared responsibility, human AI collaboration. Enhancing human capability, AI support doctors with diagnostic and personalized treatment. Plans AI as a tool for creativity. Collaborative intelligence, human and AI work together combining human judgment with AI data analysis abilities. It's also collaboration with the policy creation, government initiative, AI growth in healthcare, education, and sustainability. And it's also human AI collaboration, AI argument, human capability enhancing decision making and creativity. And it's good for the future if government and other sectors will do for work, and it's good for other human. It's also for a job creator. Um, because it's the role of AI in human AI collaboration is a good for high level decision making and human creativity. Because uh, nowadays we can also see in education sector we search different things and for which is for good for our education, and creativity give a creativity idea for the um, future. And here's the conclusion is the impact of AI on workforce is dual faced. While it lead to displacement of certain jobs, it's also create new opportunity for innovation, growth, and human AI collaboration. It's depend upon the how society and business manage this transition, because it's very important for our business societies and also government and other factors, because it depend upon these factors, because this transition is very good for human and AI collaboration. And here's the recommendation is the short term recommendation, and it's also a long term recommendation. In short term recommendation is the implement a reskilling program, its actions and some goals, for pilot AI projects, government academic collaboration. First of all, the implement reskilling program is the yes, the action of this reskilling program is the partner with organization like Google, Amazon to offer AI certification. Because this certification is very important, and uh, because we when the people do this certification, its goal is the enable workers to transition into new role. Because AI is the different provide different role, and it's very good opportunity. Pilot AI project is the two AI tools in healthcare, finance, and manufacturing in different industries. Test AI effectiveness and gather feedback. And because these tools are when applied in finance and manufacturing, and then people work on it, and its feedback is very gather the feedback, and it's very important. Government academic collaboration develop training program to bridge immediate workforce and prepare the workforce changes. Yes, the long-term recommendation is the drive continuous and innovation, AI ethics and governance, public-private collaboration, universal basic income. Here's the action and some goals is the fund AI, healthcare, IT and finance to promote long-term economic growth, launch AI-based innovation to create jobs, and these jobs is for good opportunity for all the people, provide economic stability during transition, because the trial UBI in area with high automation rate. And here's the references, all the references from where we gathered all the data and case studies and all the information in these slides and in this topic. This topic, the AI is as a job creator or destroyer. We also provide this recommendation and conclusion. Uh, Here's the topic, and thank you so much.